Set amidst a tranquil environment that guarantees privacy and exclusivity, Rutendo Gardens is the premier destination for unforgettable events. Whether you're planning a wedding, church conference, birthday, or traditional Lobola function, private or corporate events, our venue offers the perfect blend of elegance and convenience. Step into our majestic 500-seater glasshouse, a space designed to impress with its natural light and magnificence. For intimate ceremonies, our modern chapel provides a contemporary yet warm atmosphere. The lush gardens are ideal for photo shoots, picnics, and outdoor gatherings, ensuring every moment is captured against a breathtaking backdrop. Rutendo Gardens is more than just a venue. It's a complete experience. With ample parking, exclusive privacy, and an on-site catering facility capable of serving up to 500 guests, Rutendo Gardens is your all-in-one venue. For those who love outdoor dining, our braai area adds a touch of flavor and fun to any occasion. At Rutendo Gardens, we don't just host events, we create lasting memories. Book your special day today and let Rutendo Gardens bring your vision to life.